जीने का मजा कभी नरम कभी गरम, कभी नरम नरम कभी गरम गरम, कभी नरम गरम नरम गरम। ओ बेटा जी, अरे ओ बाबू जी, किस्मत की हवा कभी नरम कभी गरम, कभी नरम नरम कभी गरम गरम, कभी नरम गरम नरम गरम। ओ बेटा जी। दुनिया के इस चिड़ियाघर में तरह तरह का जलवा, मिले किसी को सूखी रोटी किसी को पूरी हलवा, अरे भाई किसी को पूरी हलवा। ओ बेटा जी, खिचड़ी का मजा कभी नरम कभी गरम, कभी नरम नरम कभी गरम गरम, कभी नरम गरम नरम गरम। ओ बेटा जी, अरे ओ बाबू जी, किस्मत की हवा कभी नरम कभी गरम, कभी नरम नरम कभी गरम गरम, कभी नरम गरम नरम गरम। ओ बेटा जी। दर्द दिया तो थोड़ा थोड़ा, खुशी भी थोड़ी थोड़ी, बाहर मालिक बाहर मालिक, दुख और सुख की खूब बनाई जोड़ी, अरे वाह खूब बनाई जोड़ी। ओ बेटा जी, जीवन का नशा कभी गरम कभी नरम, कभी नरम नरम कभी गरम गरम, कभी नरम गरम नरम गरम। ओ बेटा जी, अरे ओ बाबू जी, किस्मत की हवा कभी नरम कभी गरम, कभी नरम नरम कभी गरम गरम, कभी नरम गरम नरम गरम। ओ बेटा जी।
A very good morning to all with the beautiful smiles I can see. So again with किस्मत की हवा कभी नरम कभी गरम के साथ एक और दिन की शुरुआत करते हैं. Okay, so before we begin, we all pray together and with this beautiful morning, let us start with one small beautiful song and then we will start the day. I hope you all pay attention to the words, what we are experiencing these days. We have learned, right action say. We have learned, what the words right action say. We must do what we know, what is right and wrong we must know, every day and every night. Think of truth, think of truth, think of truth, think of peace, whatever in all you do. Think of truth, think of peace, Whatever all you do, find these values in your heart. Find these all values in your heart. As a new day we start, as a new day we start. If you use these words in your daily life, right is all what you do all you did. Happiness is the only key we all can stray today. La la la, la la la, ha 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 ha. Oh, 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 la 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 la. We have love, we have love. What the words, right actions say. So let us all experience the right action, the right conduct in today's workshop. So I hand over the session to our Sachin sir. Thank you.
Hello. Yes. Wonderful morning to everyone. Thank you, Atul sir. So I, Sachin Kashyap, welcome you all in our next session of Festival of Entertainment. And I hope within these 8 minutes, you all have enjoyed this. Like we have started Kismat ki Hawa, Kabhi Naram, Kabhi Garam. So as the life is all about happiness, sadness, emotions, expressions, and all. And we are here to express, to participate, and to enjoy. You all return come with energy, and you all leave with a smile. So is expect, yes, you all have in full of energy. Are you?
Yes. Yes.
Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
So I like to show you. Yes, this is the life, full of gestures, full of emotions, full of values, and we are following it. The right conduct that includes a duty, responsibility, determination, initiative, and all. These things links to our life from the beginning only. Our deeds are plays important role. Yes, our values, our work, our deeds, what we have done in our life, whether for ourselves or whether for society, whether for our family, we are doing it. And I hope you all are follows all the deeds, all the workings in a discipline, in a value. Yes, right conduct. Few things I like to read about that I will relate this with our field, physical education. I got this document from the some college file that right conduct is also concerned with how we look after and use our bodies. The body needs to careful maintenance to be strong, healthy and well coordinated to serve us in performing the task of life. Students need to understand the importance of exercise. Here we can include all, such as gymnastics, yoga, and sport combined with good rest, good thoughts, and good company, which includes everything imbibed by the five senses, are essential for healthy and well balanced development. Right conduct is taught through silent sitting also, storytelling also, and group activities that we are doing nowadays, group activities. And the several parts of right conduct: manners, health awareness, responsibility, helpfulness, independence, perseverance, and courage. Yes, first we talk about self. Right conduct for self, work for self, what we have worked for self. आपने कभी अपने आप के लिए क्या किया है? Most important is self, because if you are not self-caring, you are not going to helpful or good for anyone in life. So, are you, first of all, answer me, are you self-caring?
Yes.
Okay. Only one person self-caring? Okay, these things we include in self-care: diet, hygiene, your posture, how you sit, how you stand, how you walk. This is also comes in self-care. Your appearance, your self-reliance, your modesty, your care possessions. You must care yourself in a right conduct. Follow the routine. What you have done for yourself. हमेशा इसको याद रखोगे, हमने अपने लिए भी पूरे दिन में कुछ किया कि नहीं. Especially, I request to all the teachers, those who are mothers and doing several things at home for our families, kindly perform some right things for yourself. Okay? So next is your conduct in your workplace. आपको right conduct जो अपने workplace पे क्या follow हम कर रहे हैं, this need to be done. First thing, punctual to your workplace. We need to be punctual. हमें टाइम पे आना है, स्कूल टाइम पे जाना है. This is most important. किसी भी चीज को करने के लिए अगर हम टाइम पे नहीं स्टार्ट करेंगे तो टाइम पे खत्म नहीं होगी. That's what's the job. कि हमें टाइम पे जॉब पे आना है, तभी हम टाइम पे जाएंगे. हमें पंक्चुअलिटी हमारे काम में दिखनी चाहिए कि हमें टाइम पे आना है. इनिशिएटिव लेना है. Initiate for solving problems, initiate for innovations, perseverance. किसी थॉट्स में रह के प्रिजर्व करो उसको, किसी भी डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन में हमें साथ देना है. And respect for all, whether a colleague, whether a teacher, whether a student, respect to give them all. And be guide to the students. हमें स्टूडेंट्स का गाइड रहना है, हमें एक गाइड की तरह उनका हेल्प करना है. These things we need to conduct these days. And compared to the current situation is on your screen, that you must follow the norms given by the government, by the policies and all. Nowadays, this is the right conduct. This is the right conduct nowadays. Okay, so move forward. We will have an activity now. So for the activity, I like to call Anu sir for taking you ahead in different emotions with a different act. So be prepared and kindly switch on your videos and participate enthusiastically. और अपना 100% देना है. आज किसी ने बैठे बैठे ही देना है, हमने कोई वर्कआउट नहीं कराना है. जस्ट एंजॉय. सीमा मैम ज्यादा टेंशन नहीं लेना है.
रेडी.
ओके सर.
हाँ.
ओके रेडी.
ओपन करके रखा हुआ है. रेडी टू गो इन द गार्डन.
Thank you, Sachin sir. A very good morning. Our chairman, Mrs. Chan Aru ma'am, our principal Vandana Saxena, and my dear teachers. Say very big good morning, all of you. I need your positivity from your side and be active because today is our right conduct activity. It's related to our field sports. Okay, so first I will start some small activity with face expressions. अभी मैं देख रहा हूँ कि कैमरे पे देख रहा हूँ किसी का फेस मुरझाया हुआ है बिल्कुल. I need smile on your face with energy. Okay, I need energy, more energy. Okay, इसमें से कुछ है ना, कुछ मदर्स ने, कुछ मैम ने खाना नहीं बनाया है तो वो भूखे बैठे आराम से करे, बस जब खत्म होगा फंक्शन तब हम खाएंगे. No, now it's enjoy. Try to enjoy with us. Okay, trying to enjoy together. And now first I will request to all, so please remove your anxiety, aggression. Okay, and first everyone, a small activity. Try to show your face with aggression. Try to face just aggressive face. Yes. Show me your face. Aggressive face. अतुल सर गुस्सा होना चाहिए, प्यार वाला गुस्सा नहीं, गुस्सा वाला.
सर बीपी हाई हो जाएगा.
यस, हाई करना है मैम. बीपी हम अपने आप लो कर देंगे मैम. गुस्सा क्या करते तूने? स्वाति मैम गुस्सा करना है, लाइक आर्मी ऑफिसर. I need your positive response. Now change, relax, just relax, cool down. Now next activity, some confusion in your mind, some confusion on your face. Make your face like confusion. आप some confusion है आपके माइंड में ना, तो try to make your face like confusion face.
मैम कंफ्यूज होना है. confuse. ओके सीमा मैम कंफ्यूज होना है, आप स्माइल भी ऐसे, गुस्से में भी ऐसे, कंफ्यूजन. शो योर एक्सप्रेशंस. आई रीड आउट योर बॉडी लैंग्वेज थ्रू योर फेस. यस, नाउ रिलैक्स एंड go for water break. Jaldi hurry up, come back with energy. Only one sip water break. Only one sip and just relax. 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 Now, next is excitement. Yes! ओहो, आज तो मैं भगवान से मिला हूँ. Well done. I feel so proud of myself because I meet with God. God means you all people, or like God for me, because
we all are stay in a small family.
Sir, excitement.
दिनेश सर, कैमरा ऑफ नहीं करना सर, कैमरा ऑफ नहीं करना है.
Excitement.
Excitement, yes, yes, yes. Excitement. Yeah, well done. Very good. It's very nice. Well done. दुबे जी, आपकी स्माइल माशा अल्लाह छा गए, तुसी ग्रेट हो. मैं यही चाहता था. वेरी गुड. ओके, नाउ
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
different faces. Yes. Now I am going to start some common activity. Is called deformities of posture. Okay, it's very common thing. So a good stance and posture reflect a proper state of mind. So when we go anywhere, some people are very sound. Through our walking, through our running, through our way of sitting, they can judge what we can do next part. Okay, so with the help of experience, then we can judge. जैसे हम बोलते थे ना, हमारे जो बुजुर्ग थे, हम बोलते थे हम तो उड़ती चिड़िया के पर गिन लेते हैं कितने हैं और कहाँ जाएगी. विद द हेल्प ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस. तो वैसे ही हम, हमारे जो बॉडी लैंग्वेज है वो हमारे को बता देते हैं कि ये चाहता क्या है, क्या करेगा, क्या करेगी, क्या चाहता है. So there are the so many deformities of postures like kyphosis, lordosis, scoliosis, flat foot, knock knee, bow leg. These are the deformities of the postures. Only few deformities, those we can reduce in the childhood age, like flat foot, knock knee, and bow leg. In the adult age, we can't change our posture. Only childhood we can change, we can reduce, we can correct. Okay, so first I will explain our body posture. When we sit on the floor, so see, I am sit on the floor. During the sitting posture, my spine should be straight like 90 degree and feel comfortable. Don't sit like bend your spine forward, backward. This is not right posture. This is not right posture. When you read, when you sit, when you do anything in the sitting posture, your spine should be straight with 90-degree angle on the floor. If you are not comfortable, then you can take support your wall. Okay, on the chair. See, अभी भी कुछ बैठे हैं हमारे जो टीचर्स हैं, वो ऐसे आराम से कुछ ऐसे बैठे हैं, ऐसे कैमरे को देख रहे हैं. नहीं, just relax, feel comfortable, relax, and your camera in front of you. See, comfortability on the chair. Okay, and try to use during the class time also when we teach. Okay, this is our right posture. My leg should be straight or it may be back. Okay, but your spine should be straight, comfortable.
Right now.
Please, everyone, try right now. Okay? Don't take sport. विनेश सर, क्या बात है यार, आप तो सर छा गए, मैथ डिपार्टमेंट है ना. Next is my standing posture. During the standing time, when we stand, try to, our weight should be on the both leg, both feet. Okay? Don't stand on the single leg like me. ऐसे नहीं खड़े होना, ऐसे नहीं खड़े होना है. नो, बिल्कुल इजी, रिलैक्स. अगर मैंने ऐसे भी खड़ा होना है पूरे स्टाइल के साथ, मैं अपने आप को बड़ा अच्छा शो कर रहा हूं कि मैं अच्छी तरह खड़ा हूं, लेकिन मैंने बिल्कुल रिलैक्स ऐसे और साइड से देखा, बिल्कुल रिलैक्स हो, स्पाइन स्ट्रेट है, एंड माय ऑल जॉइंट्स लाइक एंकल, माय नी, माय एल्बो एंड माय शोल्डर एंड माय बॉडी लैंग्वेज शुड बी लाइक एक्टिव, like active person. Okay, this is our standing posture. And next one is the walking posture. हमने देखा है कि हमने जो बात किया है कि काइफोसिस, लॉर्डोसिस, स्कोलियोसिस, नॉकनी, बो लेग, मैंने इसके बारे में बात किया है. These are the deformities of the posture. So during the walking, some peoples are walk like curve in the back, like our shoulder, our plates is forward bent, literally. That is called kyphosis, like ऐसे. Some are walking like my tummy. See, I will try to show, but don't laugh. होने कुछ हम ऐसे चलते हैं ना, आपने देखा, कुछ ऐसे करके ऐसे बैठते हैं. नो, इट्स रॉन्ग. बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट. अगर हम मोटे भी हैं, नो प्रॉब्लम, बट ट्राई टू, व्हेन यू गो इन द वॉकिंग, try to walk properly, proper manner. Your spine should be straight. Okay. Next one is the, it's called lordosis. हम ऐसे चल रहे हैं ना. Next one is the scoliosis. When we, during the walking, standing in any or sitting posture, when we walk, like our spine should be literally bent sideward, any one side, maybe right, maybe left. ऐसे हम ऐसे चलते हैं. नो, ऐसे ही हम बैठते हैं जब भी वेट है. कुछ लोगों की ऐसी वॉकिंग मैंने देखा है, मेरा फ्रेंड है कुछ, वो भी ऐसे चलता है, थोड़ा सा वेट है ना उसका, एक साइड झुका रहता है. नो, इट्स वेरी बैड पोस्चर. इफ यू वांट every time feel active, your posture should be right. Okay, so bow leg, when we walk, see, bow leg means gap between the knees. See, you feel our students like walk, है ना, ऐसे करते हैं. It's bow leg. It's very bad posture. नॉक नी, सी, ये ऐसे है ना, नीज मिलते हुए चलते हैं, ऐसे नी ऐसे रखो. तो I relate with sports activity, like our topic is right conduct. So I will teach, I will guide you how we can walk, how we can stand, how we can sit with right manner. See, when we walk, we will use our alternate hand and leg both. कुछ लोग ऐसे भी चलते हैं, हैंड्स मूवमेंट बिल्कुल नहीं करेंगे, ऐसे खड़े रहेंगे. नो, इट्स नॉट गुड. Try to move your both arm, both leg. See, कुछ लोग ऐसे भी चलते हैं जिसका वेट बैक होगा, नहीं, बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट, रिलैक्स, वॉकिंग सिंपल सिंपल इजी. सी, इफ यू फील कि आप में कुछ ऐसी कमियां हैं तो ट्राई टू करेक्ट. तो आई रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल, प्लीज स्टैंड अप. आप बोर हो गए मेरे को लगता है. प्लीज स्टैंड अप, प्लीज स्टैंड अप. और एक बार मेरे को ना, एक बार हमने, याद है सभी ने, रैंप वॉक किया था, रैंप वॉक किया था ना. तो एक बार सभी मेरे को एक बार चल के दिखाना. रैंप वॉक नहीं है, ट्राई टू करेक्ट योर वॉकिंग स्टाइल. ओके, सो let's start with me. Start 2 or 3 rounds in your nearby area. Start walking with me. Try to move your arms, move your legs. Your spine should be straight. Smile on your face. With smile. और थोड़ा सा टमी को ऐसे. Okay. Yes, Anjana ma'am, Sanjeev sir, well done. Chandar ma'am, thank you so much ma'am. Now all of you stand up in front of the camera. Now stand up. Stand up. Yes. In attention position. Everyone come in attention position. Yes. Now salute to yourself. Jai Hind. Yes. पूरा जोश के साथ आना चाहिए. जय हिंद. यस. निकिता मैम, आपकी फिंगर ओपन है, लिटिल फिंगर क्लोज करो. आप आर्मी ऑफिसर की वाइफ हो, ये देखो क्लोज. हाँ, यस. थैंक यू. आई सल्यूट टू यू ऑल. थैंक यू सो मच. यस. नाउ अगेन वाटर ब्रेक. नाउ आई रिक्वेस्ट टू सचिन सर. Water break, 2-minute water break.
Wait. Yes. Yes, everybody came back and sit in a right posture. So these are few things which we are implementing in our daily life for ourselves. A right sitting posture, a right standing posture, a right walking posture. So we hope that it is informative for you all, and you all will implement it in your daily lives and try to correct your posture as you can. So let's move forward, and I want to ask all of you, to our staff, to principal ma'am, to Chand ma'am, everybody, that can you share any act of right conduct you have did for your colleagues, your staff, anything, any right conduct you have performed for your staff, your colleagues, your principal, your chairman, anything. It's for the principal, for the chairman, for teachers, your colleagues, your friends. So, anyone? You can share, Vinima ma'am.
Yes, sir, teamwork.
It's a teamwork. Any right deed, I must say, any right conduct you
Sharing
personally
of
do
load.
for your staff, your colleague, for your
Sharing of
department.
load. Sharing of work.
Sharing of work.
When
Okay.
a when a colleague is not well or maybe uh,
Okay. So you share your work and you will be a helping hand when your staff needs a support, your colleague needs a support. Okay. Anyone
yes,
else? Anybody? Yes, Sanjeev sir, you can speak.
Sir. So, by sharing of knowledge and skills, like Kaveri ma'am does not know about the much know about the designing, so I just sharing and the skills and knowledge about the designing. It's just example.
Yes. Definitely, you said it right. Yes, sharing of your knowledge, sharing of your work is there. You did it. And for the development and growth of our students. And next, Harkirat ma'am. Yes.
Yes, good morning, everyone. Like in the annual play function, it was on insects. So I requested all the teachers to gather the material related to insects. So I shared the real insect samples which I brought from Ludhiana. So I took the help from my father and number of things from plants, insects. So I shared with my staff members.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Good job, ma'am. You give your helping hand with the material, with your colleagues. And anyone else? Yes,
We
Atul
praise
sir.
each other.
Yes, sir. Binesh sir.
Sir, we praise each other.
We praise each other. Yes. One of the important thing. We forget
Motivate each other.
to praise. We forget to appreciate. This is very important. Yes, Ashish sir.
Motivating each other.
Yes. As like the praise, motivating each other towards the work, towards the upgradation, towards the updation of your work.
Exactly.
Yes, exactly. Atul sir, yes.
Yes, sir. So I would like to just add that our annual plays are the best examples where we have experienced many ups and downs in the
Yes.
sense where we learn the right action very nicely. So the right
Yes.
conduct is, I personally, I have believed, that we have experienced in a proper way, in a scripted way, in a experienced, I mean, in a practical way. So, I mean, many incidents I can relate to. So
Yes.
one of our in our school we can say that annual plays for me is the best
Yes.
time we have
That time,
experienced.
there's a practical learning, practical example of right conduct for your staff and for the participants. Yes, Nikita ma'am. What you have right? Nimrita ma'am.
Sir, I would say that I am really proud of my department because anyone, even outsider, comes to our department. First of all, since I look after health, so sometimes some people come with they don't have even eaten their food. So I've seen Nidhi ma'am many times they give their own food to the students or any colleague. We give them mental support. And in our department, there is no ego that somebody is senior, junior. We work hand in hand. Maybe if there is a crisis, a personal crisis, or any departmental problem, we work together to attain our goals, and no one has any ego problem or any issue. For 5 years I have been there, so I am really happy in my department. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. Thanks for sharing a very good example from your department. Yes, you are doing a great job with the department. an effective job, I must say. So you must perform a right deed and right conduct for your staff, for yourself, and for the society, I must say. You must perform. This is the, I think, most important human value you will follow. Okay, now we'll move ahead for our next activity. So as written, everybody have to get balloon. So get your balloon now. Okay, you got your balloons. Okay, तो थोड़ा सा हम अपने ऑक्सीजन को यूज करके थोड़ा इसको भुलाते हैं. Use your lungs, but don't excessively. Yes, इसको नोट कर लीजिए. नोट करके प्रिपेयर कर लो. Everybody must do it and show your balloon in the camera. Show your balloons. Switch on your cameras, please. Show your balloon.
Thank you to my granddaughter. I have balloon.
Okay, show your balloons.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So we will have one activity now with this balloon. Everybody has different gestures. Like different gesture, you will act, clap, snap, laugh, smile, blink your eyes, stand up, sit down, different acts, different gestures. Okay, so अब हमने क्या करना है? You just push the balloon in the air. इसको हवा में करना है और जब तक वो नीचे आएगा आपने मैक्सिमम जेस्चर्स दिखाने हैं. आप कितने ज्यादा एक्ट कर सकते हैं मैक्सिमम. लाइक दिस एग्जांपल, I put clap, snap, blink my eyes and hold. I did 3 activities: clap, snap, blink my eyes and hold. तो आप मैक्सिमम कितनी कर सकते हैं? परफॉर्म इट. Do it. तो मैक्सिमम आप कर सकते हैं. काइंडली राइट इन चैट बॉक्स. देन सी कितने मैक्सिमम जेस्चर्स, कितने मैक्सिमम एक्ट आप कर सकते हैं. डू इट. जब तक बैलून नीचे आएगा आपको मैक्सिमम जेस्चर्स करने हैं. स्वाति मैम.
Sir, we don't have balloon. We don't have. Sir, we didn't get it.
I'm getting it again.
No problem. You can show your gestures.
Thank you से कर लो.
Okay.
Thank you से कर लो. Thank you बताओ.
Yes, kindly write as maximum act or gesture you can perform. Yes, just push it, smile, clap, cats. I can do 3 only. Smile, blink my eyes, snap, clap, cats. 4, I did 4. How many you can do? Anjana ma'am, 15?
Yes.
Ma'am, आप 15 gestures कर सकते हो.
15 times different type of clapping. 15 times.
मैम एक बैलून ऊपर गया.
Yes.
जब
Yes.
one balloon goes up, उसके बीच में नीचे आते समय आपने कितने एक्शन और कितने ये जेस्चर्स करे हैं? That is the
ये
thing.
करना 15 कहाँ से हो जाएंगे मैम?
Sir, I am doing with the hanky and I am able to do only 2 gestures.
हाँ,
Snap.
gestures
still
बताना
heavier.
आपने कितने करे हैं? Whether it is clap, whether
Sir,
it is snap,
Sir,
whether it
5.
is smile, whether it's a blink
Sir,
of
smile,
eyes.
blink, eyed, cried,
5.
clapping, and catch.
Okay, 1. You did it 1.
No,
Okay,
Sir, I did 6. 6 different kind of gestures.
6 you can. Okay, kindly perform, ma'am. Anjana ma'am, do it. Do it. Show us your 5 gestures. Yes, ma'am, good. मैम क्या क्या किया बोल के बताना एक बारी. आपने क्या क्या किया मैम?
Sir, dance, smile, clap, and exercise. Dance, two kind of dances.
Okay, well done, ma'am. Well done, ma'am. Well done. Okay, anybody else? Atul sir, can you try?
सर मेरी हवा निकल रही बैलून की. एक मिनट दोबारा से. नॉट बननी पड़ेगी. The knot was not good.
Okay. Harsha ma'am. Harsha ma'am.
Yes, sir.
आप कितने कर सकते हो?
I did 4.
Okay, do it.
Snap. Balloon तो गया.
मैम बैलून लेके भी आना है. Clap, snap, blink, catch.
4, sir, 4.
4.
Now balloon is gone.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, कौन से gestures कर सकते हैं मैम?
Mic is off.
Okay.
Smile, cry, blow, and clap.
Yes. So smile is everybody can, na? It's the easiest thing. Or
Jump
we
is
hardly
also.
smile at
Jump.
each other.
Jump, everybody
The
can.
easiest thing, smile, and we hardly smile at each other. So kindly give your smile to your colleagues. This is also a right conduct. Just give a smile to your colleagues. When you wish each other, give a smile. When you leave the school, give a smile. It's all about showing yourself, show your gesture, show your positivity toward your colleague. Okay, Nikita ma'am, can you perform?
Yes, sir. I can perform.
Yes. How many gestures?
4 I did, as you said.
Okay, try.
Okay. Clap, snap, smile, blink.
Okay, well tried. Okay, I hope everybody get the root of this activity, that you must express, you must show your gesture to each other, to your family, to your staff, to your colleague. Okay, so this is the best thing we can do in our life. Okay, so now just stand up everybody, and get ready for the next activity by Anup sir, and listen the commands carefully and follow it. Now over to Anup sir for the next activity.
Thank you, sir. Again, welcome back. So now our activity is balancing activity. Before performing the activity, please go for water break again. Now 3 sip water break. Hurry up. And I request you all, please bring any 4 water bottle, glass. It may be steel glass, plastic glass, any type of glass for performing the activity, or empty bottle, or maybe filled bottle. Okay. Now, first everyone please go and bring the 1 glass. 1 glass. Now we will start some balancing activity with glass. It's a funny. I will check your balance. Okay. So अभी मैं कुछ बोलना चाहता हूँ कि हमने देखा है ना, जो हमारे पुराने टाइम में जो मेरे मम्मी पापा की एज में है या चांद नेहरू मैम के टाइम पे हमारे जितने भी पेरेंट्स होते थे, बुआ, मामा, फूफा, पापा, मम्मी, दादा, वो है ना, सभी बैलेंस के लिए ना, उनको बैलेंस की मतलब इतना ज्यादा वो नहीं था, तो वो क्या करते थे, गांव में लोग कुएं पे जाते थे पानी लेने के लिए, और उसके जो मटके होते थे, जो घड़ा होता था, वो सर पे 2, 3, 4 रखते थे, और वो बैलेंस करके बड़ा इजी आते थे, ऐसे आराम से। कोई यहाँ पे भी रखता था, यहाँ पे भी, सर पे भी, और फिर भी 3-4 करके हमारी माताएं बहन आई सब लेके आते थे उसको। सो हम उस टाइप की हमारा एक एक्टिविटी है, हम उसको विदाउट टच करें हमने बैलेंस बनाना है गिलास का। एवरीवन प्लीज कीप द ग्लास ऑन योर हेड,
अनुज सर भरा हुआ
ट्राई
लाना
टू
है या
बैलेंस
खाली?
and don't touch during the activity. Yes, please.
It has to be empty or full?
Empty glass, ma'am. Empty glass.
Okay.
I try to balance your glass on the head. See? And don't touch again and again. Okay? Yes. Now, place your hands in front of your chest and let's start 10 squat. 1, only 5, sorry. 2, Chan ma'am touch नहीं करना उसको, try to without touch perform. 3, slowly. 4, cheating नहीं करनी है. 5, and try to hold your position. No cheating. संजीव सर बैठना नहीं है. अब आराम से नीचे बैठ जाओ. अगर जिससे नहीं होता नो प्रॉब्लम. Then slowly up. Relax.
निकिता मैम गिलास चाहिए. निकिता मैम गिलास.
निकिता मैम आपने गिलास रखा है, लोटा रखा है? नहीं करनी है. Okay. Now activity change. Chan Naru ma'am, well done ma'am, outstanding. So you are role model ma'am. Well done ma'am, nice one. See, Chan ma'am, well done. Now one more glass. We'll add one more glass. See again, place your glass on the feast. First of all, you will make the feast. Okay, feast. See, and I will place on the glass on the my feast. Okay, see. वंदना मैम चीटिंग नहीं करनी है, गिलास सीधा रखना है मैम प्लीज. 2 गिलास. सी
सर 1 नहीं है.
Okay. Now see, everyone place your glass on the feast. And see sideward. Move sideward. Try to open your arm sideward. Slowly. गिलास गिरना नहीं चाहिए, पकड़ना नहीं है गिलास को. पकड़ना नहीं है. हम एक गेम खेल रहे हैं, हमने कुछ इसमें अपना स्मार्टनेस नहीं करना कुछ भी. यस. Yes. Well done. Now sit. Sit. Vandana ma'am, बैठना है. Try to open your arms, Vandana ma'am. Again, just slowly up. Try to move your body. See, sit and stand. तभी तो बैलेंस बनेगा इसका. तभी हमने बैलेंस देखना है. Yeah. Now stop. Now again single glass. Now we did 2 activities with hands and head and 1 more activity with foot. Okay. Now everyone try to place your glass on the foot. Try to place. Balance the glass on the foot.
Impossible. आज बर्तन खड़केंगे घर पे.
Try to place your glass on the foot. Yes. Say and try to move your leg up and down.
सब बर्तनों के खड़कने की आवाज आ रही है.
Dance with music.
सर उठ पैर उठाते ही नीचे गिर रहा है.
सीमा मैम, yes, you can do it, सीमा मैम.
अनुज सर बर्तन खड़कवा रहे हो आप हमारे.
I have performed.
I am the only one who is just enjoying seeing you all.
नहीं हो रहा भी मेरे से.
Seems impossible.
Yes. Okay, now let's all of you stand up, please. Stand up.
You're already stand up, sir.
We are already standing, sir. सर जंप करा लो. जंप कर देते. ग्लास रख के नहीं हो रहा.
Anuj sir, this activity is nice. Take it थोड़ा सा लंबा लेना है इसको.
Let's start with music. Start movement.
सर करा लो जितना.
Nice. This is going to be nice.
4 bottle. Again, water break. Again, I request to bring any 4 water bottle. It may be filled or it may be empty.
How many bottles?
4.
Okay.
And place your bottle according to you. You just make a small fill with water bottle. Everyone just place your bottle, make a small fill. It may be square or it may be rectangular. Small. According to your reach. Just we will perform a small activity, balancing activity. And during the activity, just we will try to touch the bottle with our hands. So, see, Everyone, please show me your square. अपना एक बार मेरे को बोतल वाला स्क्वायर दिखाओ जैसे मैंने बनाया अपना बोतल के साथ. You can use anything. Bottle is not compulsory. Even if you have bowl, cones, markers, then you can use even glass also. Any rough use, it may be paper bowl, anything you can use for making the small field. Okay. So now I will perform. Now I have made the small rectangular area. I will stand in the center. Yes. Well done, well done, well done. Yes. Now I will stand on the single leg. Yes. I can catch my leg, one leg with my other hand and see my alternate leg, alternate hand. I am standing on the right leg and I will use my left hand. And now I start the activity. I will try to touch the bottle with my left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. One time more. I will show you. 1, 2, 3, 4. See? Now leg change. Now I change my leg. Left leg. Right arm. See? 1, 2, 3, 4. One time more. Try to balance on single leg. It's balancing activity, okay? Say 1. Try to touch your equipment. 2, 3, 4. Yes. Now, music. Now. Yes, try to balance. Yes. Start 5 counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done, Anuj. Well done, everyone. Just appreciate yourself. We can do everything. Well done. Yes. So, thank you so much. Now I request to Sachin sir again. And before hand over the mic, again, please go for water break because today is very hot day. So try to intake maximum water. 2 sip, 3 sip as for your comfortability. Thank you so much. And over to Sachin sir.
Yes. Hope everyone enjoyed this activity. Have you enjoyed? Everybody can show a thumbs up if you enjoyed. If you not, you can put down, no problem.
Yes, we enjoyed. Yes, we enjoyed.
Okay, thank you, Atul sir. Thank you. Okay, now before moving towards the next activity, let's talk about something for the society. Just we have discussed about ourselves, that way what we have done right for us, right conduct for our body, right habits to be followed. And now we will talk about what is right conduct you have done for the society, not here in the school, not for the institution, not for your family, what you have done for the society, what right you have done for the society. Can anybody share anything, any experience you have done previously, anything for the society, right conduct for the society? Because social skills are one of the part of right conduct. Did you? Anyone?
So may I?
Yes, ma'am.
Mrs. Upadhyay?
Yes, sure, ma'am.
I always try to go once in a year. I try to go for blood donation.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
good.
This time I thought that I should not go, but one day I read about thalassemia patients, very big articles about those patients. Then I again went for it.
Very good, ma'am. I appreciate you for this. Yes, you have done a good deed for the society. Anyone else?
Sir, may I tell?
Harkirat, ma'am, yes.
Sir, before joining Tribune School, I was working in Sikhya School, and that was a great chance for me to teach and help the unprivileged children of the society. That was a great experience for me.
Okay, good, ma'am. It's a good job. Yes, Ritika, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Nowadays, the big contribution that we all are doing is by staying at home and taking care of ourselves, wearing masks. The most important thing we can do to the society. I'm doing that, following all the rules and everything.
Yes. As per the current situation, the right conduct for the society is also maintain the hygiene and follow the norms in the current situation. Okay, next is Ruchika, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. What you have done for society, you write in the chat box.
Yes, sir. I would say that in last year and even in this year also, the way we are dealing our children, the way we are helping them, we are treating them, how to inculcate good manners in them. That is, according to me, is also a example of right conduct. So I would say that I am contributing with my job, and I'm giving these things to my children, and I hope they will benefit of it and they will not miss the school to that extent. Thank you, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Yes, you have done it and following all the ethics of your profession and doing it for the students. Yes, next is Ramneek Bhatia, ma'am.
Sir, actually, I haven't done anything on the part of right conduct, which I feel so, but there is an incident that is really close to my heart, which I want to share with all. Actually, sir, we went for a national when I was in the school. So there we went from the Chandigarh state, but the problem was we went without reservation. So we went to southern state in Kerala, and we were without reservation. So at that point of time, we have to sleep next to the toilets. We didn't have any of the seats, and we were 40 students altogether. So I think the ma'am who were with us, she was such a kind lady that she helped us to, even travel that distance through train for 3 days without reservation. But she had a smile on her face, and she provided us everything that we needed. So I think I learned from her that no matter what the situation is, if you have that smile and that confidence, you can carry the team well. So I learned from her, and maybe I can implement in future also.
Okay. Well, ma'am, I also learned from this. Yes, it's a very positive thing you have shared with us. Yes, during the travels and during the journeys, we have met such kind of people. Through them, we have learned new things, and they're a very right thing you have just shared right now. Okay, thank you, ma'am. So let's move towards the next activity. So for the next activity, I request you all to bring a newspaper, any paper, any newspaper you have, okay, and a tape. Paper, newspaper, and a tape. Quickly, go and get it. Newspaper, tape. जो भी टेप है आपके पास अवेलेबल है. अगर टेप भी नहीं है तो आप थ्रेड ले आए, नो प्रॉब्लम.
सचिन सर, मेरे पास प्लास्टिक का बैग है, कैन इट बी यूज्ड?
प्लास्टिक व्हाट? बैग नहीं मैम, सिर्फ हमें न्यूज़पेपर, टेप, रफ कुछ भी चाहिए मैम, रफ. Yes, आप ले आए. Yes. Now just crushed it. Crushed it and make a ball and use the tape to cover it. Yes. Use like this. Just cover it. Yes, our ball is ready. Yes. Yes. Now, our ball is ready. कितना टाइम लगा अभी हमें? एक बॉल बनाने में हमें कितना टाइम लगा?
Some seconds.
Seconds, yes. Hardly a minute.
Yes.
ठीक है? तो now, अभी हमने एक एक्टिविटी किया था बैलून से जेस्चर्स. अब आपने एक्ट करना है. आपका हम कोऑर्डिनेशन हम करेंगे. आप मैक्सिमम क्या कर सकते हैं? सिंपल एक्टिविटी. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, जस्ट थ्रो द बॉल इन द एयर एंड clap and catch. Second, 2 clap and catch. Okay, clap, catch, 2 clap, catch. Everybody can perform it easily. Nidhi ma'am. Yes, 2 claps. Good.
Only 2 claps.
Yes, only 2 claps right now. Okay, next. Watch it carefully. Touch in your shoulder and tummy. Shoulder, tummy, catch. Shoulder, tummy, catch. Shoulder, tummy, catch. Yes, shoulder, tummy, catch. Yes, good. We have a good coordinated teachers. You have a coordination in your body. It shows. This is regarding your neuromuscular coordination. Okay? You are performing well. Okay, now change. Now, throw it, clap, clap, catch. Back clap, front clap, catch. Back clap, front clap, catch. Back clap, front clap, catch. Back, front, catch. Yes, अतुल सर करो. विनेश सर खड़े होके क्लैप होगा. खड़े होके होगा. एक क्लैप पहले बैक पे होगा, फिर फ्रंट पे होगा, फिर कैच होगा. Yes, do it. Catch. Yes, well done. Everybody is doing great. Everybody can unmute and clap for yourself. Very good. Clap for yourself. Okay. I must tell you the importance of this activity. In daily life, you can perform this activity. This is the activity for improving our neuromuscular coordination. हमारा न्यूरोमस्कुलर कोऑर्डिनेशन को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए ये एक्टिविटी है. अगर आप इसको रेगुलरली करेंगे, यू विल इम्प्रूव. हम कोई भी एक्ट कर रहे हैं, कहीं पे भी, घर पे आप किचन में भी काम कर रहे हैं, हमारे लेग सेंसिस सारा चल रहा है. अगर आप कोऑर्डिनेटिव हैं अच्छे, तो आप उसको अच्छी तरह कर सकते हैं. इट इज अ फैक्ट दैट यू विल इम्प्रूव बाय न्यूरोमस्कुलर कोऑर्डिनेशन थ्रू दीज स्मॉल एक्टिविटीज. These activities are not that tough and not that difficult. Easy. Make it in minute and do it for 10 minutes. Hardly. And you will improve your neuromuscular coordination. And for ourselves, we must perform these kind of activities on a daily basis. Okay? Now, we'll move ahead. Let's call again Anu sir for the next part.
Thank you, sir. Again, water break with smile. आज पानी तो सोचेगा यार, आज तो गलत हो गया, है ना. अब आप अपनी मर्जी से पानी पीना है. मैक्सिमम वाटर ब्रेक करना अभी, जितना पी सकते हो. Let's discuss about healthy diet with right conduct, right manner. Okay, so right diet. So right diet is I called healthy nutrition, balanced diet. You can say balanced diet. Which diet? In the sufficient amount of carbohydrate, protein, fat, minerals, and vitamins. Include all, then we can say कि healthy diet. हम सभी खाते हैं, हर रोज खाते हैं. Only few peoples, those who know about the healthy diet, I think so. हम खाते हैं भी, मैं रोटी खा रहा हूँ तो healthy diet है, या मैंने हफ्ते में 2 दिन चिकन खा लिया तो मैं हेल्दी डाइट हूँ, सफिशिएंट है, मैं वर्कआउट इतना कर रहा हूँ. इट्स ए वेरी नॉर्मल थिंग. हमें क्या है कि अपने आप को समझाने के लिए हम ये सब चीजें, मैंने सोचा कि भाई मैंने तो आज हफ्ते में 2 दिन चिकन खाया, मटन खाया, फिश खाया, या मैंने प्रोटीन खाया, तो मेरी बॉडी के लिए इनफ है ये. सो दैट इज नॉट इनफ फॉर अस. We need healthy diet according to our daily workout. कि हम कितना वर्कआउट डेली करते हैं, वो हमारे लिए मैटर करता है. अगर हम कोई एक्टिविटी नहीं करें, आई थिंक 25 to 3000 कैलोरी इज इनफ फॉर पर डे. If we are performing some physical activity, light work, it may be walking, है ना, or it may be running, jogging. It's up to you कि how much time you give to your body for the physical activity. So that time only 3500 calories is enough. If I am talking about the international athlete in the sense, it may be footballer, it may be runner, any player, that level they get 6,000 to 6,500 कैलोरी पर डे, क्योंकि उनका डेली का रूटीन ही ऐसा है. तो अगर हम बात करते हैं कि हम कितना कार्बोहाइड्रेट डेली लेते हैं, कितना प्रोटीन हम डेली इंटेक करते हैं, कितना फैट, कितना मिनरल्स, कितना विटामिन हम डेली इंटेक करते हैं, वी डोंट नो. Only few people they know, but not all. So if we get 1 gram carbohydrate, then we get 4 calories. अगर हम 1 ग्राम कार्बोहाइड्रेट लेते हैं, खाते हैं, तो हम 4 कैलोरी इनटेक करते हैं, 4 कैलोरी गेट करते हैं। अगर हम प्रोटीन करते हैं 1 ग्राम प्रोटीन, सेम 4 कैलोरी। इफ वी इनटेक 1 gram fat, then we intake 9 calorie. अगर हम सबसे ज्यादा फैट से हमारे को कैलोरी मिलती है, अगर हम 1 ग्राम फैट खाते हैं तो हमें 9 कैलोरी मिलेगी। तो देन यू कैन कैलकुलेट कि हाउ मच फूड यू आर ईट एवरी डे, एंड इन आवर डाइट हाउ मच carbohydrate, how much protein, how much fat are include, then we can calculate. And according to your diet, I suggest, I guide you, go for everyday physical exercise. हम खाना नहीं खाते वो भी गलत है, हमें खाना चाहिए, 3 टाइम खाना खाना ही चाहिए, चाहे कम खाओ लेकिन खाना चाहिए। ये नहीं है कि हमें स्किप कर दिया, आज मैं जल्दी में था, मैं जल्दी आया तो मम्मा ने खाना नहीं बनाया, पापा ने बनाया, आज मैं लेट उठी तो मैंने खाना नहीं खाया। इट्स वेरी बैड। डोंट स्किप योर मील्स ऑल 3 टाइम, ट्राई टू इनटेक, थोड़ा खाओ लेकिन खाना चाहिए। एंड आई रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल, आई सजेस्ट टू ऑल, एवरी डे गो फॉर फिजिकल एक्टिविटी। ये नहीं है कि अभी कोविड टाइम है तो हमें अभी एक दिन में हम वो बन जाएंगे, आर्नोल्ड बन जाएंगे, एक दिन में हमने आज जिम लगा दिया, मैं तो आज ही बन गया बस, नहीं, एवरी डे गो। हमें आज कुछ लोगों को पसीना बहुत ज्यादा आता है, ट्राई टू इनटेक मैक्सिमम वाटर। जितना आप वाटर पियोगे वो हमारे बॉडी का, जो हमारे ऑर्गन्स है उनको फंक्शनिंग करने में, हमारे किडनी है जो फिल्टर करती है, वो सब करने में हेल्प करेगी। हमारा बॉडी टेम्परेचर है उसी के अकॉर्डिंग रहेगा, वेट रिड्यूस होगा, और जो हमारी जो कैलोरी सबसे ज्यादा जो बर्न होती है वो कार्बोहाइड्रेट से होती है। 60 से 65 जो कैलोरी जो बर्न होती है वो कार्बोहाइड्रेट से होती है हमारी। 10 to 30% कैलोरी फैट से होता है, 25 से 40% कैलोरी प्रोटीन से होती है, बर्न होती है जो हमारी कैलोरी। और जो हम विटामिन लेते हैं, जो हम अपना जैसे सैलेड वगैरह हम खाते हैं, ये सब चीजें हैं, ये कुछ परसेंट हमारे बॉडी को हेल्प करती है, या कैलोरी के थ्रू जो बर्न होने में हमारी बॉडी को एनर्जी देती है, प्लस बर्न होता है जब हम एक्टिविटी करते हैं तब। सो इट्स माय सजेशन टू यू, प्लीज एवरीवन फॉलो द चार्ट। आपके पास एक्सपर्ट होंगे बहुत अच्छे, तो आप अपने एक्सपर्ट से चार्ट बनवाइए। अगर एक्सपर्ट भी नहीं, डोंट वरी, आप नेट से देख सकते हो। मी एंड सचिन सर, वी आल्सो कैन suggest free of cost, because we need safety. We are ready to guide you without hesitation. Anytime you can ask. It may be related to your health, diet or your physical activity. अगर हम ये नहीं सोचना मैं मोटा हूं, मैं पतला हूं, ये है, हम उसको कम भी कर सकते हैं, ज्यादा भी कर सकते हैं, ये हमारे हाथ में, लेकिन हमें इंटरेस्ट क्रिएट करना होगा। ओके, नाउ अगेन वाटर ब्रेक। इतने सीरियस नहीं बैठना, नो 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 नहीं सीरियस
सर,
बी एक्टिव, बी रिलैक्स,
एक्सक्यूज मी सर,
स्माइल। यस दीदी मैम।
सर मी अंजना
सॉरी अंजना मैम, हाँ जी।
सर वन डाइट चार्ट आप प्लीज फॉर लेडीज एंड फॉर जेंट्स, डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ डाइट चार्ट्स you can put on TMS group. We will try to follow that.
I will put, but
we will try to follow that, sir.
It's according to people, ma'am. Man to man, woman to woman, ma'am. क्योंकि हमें नहीं पता, अब देखो कोई इसमें पतला है, कोई मोटा है, किसको प्रॉब्लम भी है, किसी को कुछ शुगर